Hello students, welcome to AK Maths and Science. Today we will begin with the Maths chapter Heights and Distances. So let's start. Students, here you can see a line AB. This is a tower or a standing tower. And at point C, a person is standing and watching the object at point A. So this line which joins the eye of a person to the object, it is known as line of sight. Also CB is a ground on which person is standing. So person sees the object at point A. So line of sight makes an angle with the horizontal. It is known as angle of elevation. In the similar way, if a person is standing at point A and watching the object at point C, then the line of sight makes an angle with the horizontal, and this angle is angle of depression. These were some important points which I want to tell you before starting with the exercise. Now we will start with the exercise 22nd A. Here you can see question number 2. The angle of elevation of a top of tower from a point on the ground at a distance of 160 meter from its foot is found to be 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. In this question they have said us that the angle of elevation of the top of tower from a point on ground is 60 degree and distance from the foot of tower is 160 meter and height we have to find. So we know perpendicular by base is equal to tan. So tan 60 is equal to perpendicular is h and base is 160. We know value for tan 60 which is root 3 is equal to h by 160. H is equal to 160 multiplied by root 3. Now we will fill the value of root 3 which is 1.732 multiplied by 160. So the answer is 277.12 meter. So in this question our height is 277.12 meter. Now you can see question number 6. A boy 1.6 meter tall is 20 meter away from a tower and observes the angle of elevation of a top of tower to be first is 45 degree and second is 60 degree. Find the height of the tower in each case. Here they have told us that the boy is 1.6 meter tall. So this side will also be 1.6 meter and distance is 20 from the foot of the tower to the boy. This is 20, this side will also be 20, and now we will if we see that this whole height is h and this one is 1.6, then only this portion will be h minus 1.6. Angle of elevation we have written as theta. In the first case they have given us 45 degree, so we will find as 45 degree only. So tan 45 is equal to perpendicular is h minus 1.6 divided by base is 20. So we know value of tan 45 is 1 is equal to 1.1 h minus 1.6 divided by 20. H is equal to, so h is equal to 20 plus 1.6 is equal to 21.6 meter. In first case height is 21.6 meter. In second case they have given us angle of elevation 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equal to h minus 1.6 by 20 which is a perpendicular by base. Value of tan 60 is root 3 is equal to h minus 1.6 divided by 20. Now we will multiply 20 by root 3. So 20 root 3 is equal to h minus 1.6 or h is equal to 20 root 3 plus 1.6. From here h is equal to 20. We will fill the value of root 3 which is 1.732 plus 1.6. Here in second case our height is 36.24 meter. Now see question number 12. A man stands 9 meter away from a flagpole. He observes the angle of elevation of the top of pole is 28 degree and the angle of depression of the bottom of pole is 13 degree. Calculate the height of the pole. So in this question height we have to find. Angle of elevation is 28 degree, angle of depression is 13 degree, distance is 9 meter. So this question we will be doing in two parts. This whole height we have to find. In first part we will be finding height of this part. In second part we will find the height of this one. So in first part AR, this is R. AR is given 9 meter. Angle PAR is 28 degree and angle QAR is 13 degree. QAR is 13 degree. So now it is very easy. tan 28 degree is equal to perpendicular is PR and base is AR. Value of tan 28 is 0.532. PR we have to find, AR is given 9. So PR is equal to 9 multiplied by 0.532, which is equal to 4.788 meter. Now the second part of our question. Now we will take this triangle. In this, AR is same 9 meter and angle QAR is 13 degree, which is also same. So PQ by AR, which is equal to tan 13 degree. Value of tan 13 degree is 0.231. PQ we have to find and AR is 9. So PQ is 0.231 and the answer is 2.079 meter. So whole height, hence height is equal to first part plus second part. Point 788 plus 2.079, which is equal to 6.86 meter.